Okay, this is going to be for the numbers. Top row first. There we go. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Rounds right there. Holy shit, 11 rounds. Here we go. Then I'll do the top row right now. Then I'll just stay on the same video and do the left column. Okay, final round. Go. So Thursday Night Football top rows. Top row of numbers. Giveaway. Thursday Night Football. Left column. Numbers. So we got 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we gotta go higher than that. There we go, 7. There we go. Okay, there's our last round on that one. All good.